Ever woken up in a cold sweat, heart pounding, because you realized your credit is frozen? Maybe you're about to buy a house, or maybe you just want to apply for a new credit card. Either way, a frozen credit report is a major roadblock. So, let's dive into how to unfreeze your Transunion account online, quick, easy, and without losing your cool. Before we jump into the step-by-step guide, let's quickly recap why you might have frozen your credit in the first place. Identity theft is a real threat, and a credit freeze is like a fortress around your financial life. It prevents anyone from opening new accounts in your name without your permission. But what happens when you need to unlock that fortress? That's where we come in. Understanding the process. Unfreezing your Transunion account is generally a straightforward process. But there are a few things to know beforehand. First, you'll need access to the internet and a computer or smartphone. Second, you'll need your social security number, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. And finally, you might need a PIN or password if you've set one up for your Transunion account. Step-by-step guide. Navigate to the Transunion website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Transunion website. It's usually www.transunion.com. Look for the Credit Freeze or Service Center option. This is where you'll manage your credit freeze. Log into your account. You'll likely need to create an account or log into an existing one. Be ready with your social security number and other required information. Once logged in, you should see an overview of your credit freeze status. Initiate the unfreeze process. Look for options like Remove Freeze or Temporarily Lift Freeze. The exact wording might vary. If you need to temporarily lift the freeze, you'll typically provide specific dates when you want the freeze lifted. Verify your identity. Transunion will likely ask you to verify your identity again to confirm it's you requesting the unfreeze. Be prepared to answer security questions or provide additional information. Confirm your request. Review the details of your request, especially if you're temporarily lifting the freeze. Make sure the dates are correct. Once you're satisfied, confirm the unfreeze. Additional tips. Security first, always prioritize security. Avoid sharing personal information with anyone unless you're absolutely certain they're legitimate. Temporary lift. If you only need to unfreeze your credit for a specific period, consider a temporary lift instead of removing the freeze completely. Refreeze. After the credit check, remember to refreeze your credit to maintain protection. Monitor your credit. Regularly check your credit report for any suspicious activity. Wrapping up. Unfreezing your Transunion account is a necessary step when you need to apply for credit. By following these steps and prioritizing security, you can navigate the process smoothly. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.